When it comes to packing for your polar expedition, the trick is 3 layers. First of all, you have your innermost layer, your base layer against your skin. So you want good thermal underwear. This is your long sleeve arms, your long pants, and one nice thick pair of socks. And a nice idea as well is to have thumb cuffs and a zip down your neck so that you can also open it up to cool down a little bit on those warmer days. The second layer is your mid layer. And this is really a personal decision how cold you get, as well as how cold the conditions are on a particular day and what activity you're going to do. So you might have 1 or 2 fleeces, you might have a puffy, those ones with down. Generally, people either just wear their inner layer for their trousers, or they wear tracksuit pants or even jeans, but your mid layer is really kind of your own personal decision. Then you get to the outer layer, and the outer layer is absolutely essential. We will provide you with thick neoprene warm boots. You must bring proper waterproof trousers. These don't have to be expensive, but one top tip is that they don't have any Velcro around the ankle, because this becomes a biosecurity nightmare down the line. And then we will provide you with a jacket on particular tours. So find out from your reservation consultant if one is included. And then the jacket that we will provide you is a gill, proper waterproof layer that will protect you from the elements, water, rain, wind, snow. Now we're going to talk about accessories, gloves and hats. Nowadays, you get really clever thin gloves that also allow you to operate your touchscreen on your phone, and it's a good idea to look out for those thin gloves as your inner layer of gloves. And then one really thick pair of waterproof gloves is also going to help you on those especially cold days. For beanies, again, a personal decision how hot or cold you feel the temperatures outside, and you might want to bring yourself a couple of options of beanies, warmer and cooler, wool, fleece, all of that is good. Don't forget, it can be really sunny and a lot of snow glare in the Antarctic and in the Arctic. So you want to think about sunglasses, sunblock, and even a peak on your beanie for those really sunny days. In addition to a good sunblock for the polar regions, it is extremely dry, and you want to think about something to put on your lips and your skin for that dryness. A Vaseline or a lip balm will go a long way on those very dry days. For going ashore, you're going to need a really good waterproof bag, and we suggest a simple vinyl bag with a roll top that's properly strong and waterproof, but doesn't have too much extra padding or any of those breathable back pads, because those things can really be a nightmare for biosecurity, picking up seeds in one place and depositing in the next, and they're very hard to clean between islands. So a nice big simple plastic vinyl waterproof roll top bag to protect all your camera equipment when you're on the Zodiac is the best thing.